Hi there. Welcome to Tea Mindfulness Meditation with Louise. In this channel, we will talk about fine teas, tea mindfulness meditation, ASMR, and lots of holistic health tips to help you improve your quality of life and reduce stress naturally. I'm Louise, your guide, and today's topic is self-awareness. What is self-awareness and how can it help you reduce stress? Self-awareness is the ability of an individual to monitor one's emotions, attitudes, beliefs, reactions, values, and thoughts. Why is self-awareness important to your well-being? By being self-aware, you can recognize your own strengths and weaknesses. By knowing your own capabilities, you can manage expectations, hence lifting the pressure of your shoulders. For example, at work, your boss asks you to do a task that is not in your area of genius. You can therefore tell him or her, this is not your expertise. That way, you are managing expectation on both sides, therefore lifting the weight off of your shoulders and reducing stress. By being self-aware, you are also given an opportunity to be discerning of your own emotions. It allows you to take a pause and ask yourself, if the emotions, thoughts, values, or beliefs that you're feeling, thinking, believing are really yours, or if somebody is projecting theirs to you, or vice versa. Another benefit is it can help you stop the loop of negativity. By being aware, you can recognize your own self-sabotaging behaviors. As a result, you could apply healthy tools to help you. I know it's not as easy, but with constant practice, it is possible. Here are some self-awareness practice tips that you can immediately apply today. Number 1, journaling or reflection. It helps you identify your thoughts and emotions. Another is open up to someone you trust about your thoughts and feelings. Make sure you feel safe. Number 3, do tea mindfulness meditations for self-awareness. It's a good way to check in and ask yourself what's going on. If you need some guidance and a lovely community, join our tea mindfulness rituals for stress reduction and holistic health. Go to www.theladyglass.com for more tips on how you can reduce stress healthily and improve your holistic health. Let me know how your self-awareness journey goes. I wish you a lovely time. Stay safe and wait for the next video. See you soon. This has been Louise. Take care.